Looking to give your PC a sleek new look or optimize your cooling system for the latest high-end components? The best PC cases in 2026 offer not just stunning designs, but also incredible airflow, cable management, and easy build setups. Let's dive into the best PC cases that are a must-have in 2026. The HAVN BF350 Flow is a sleek, modern case built to offer fantastic airflow and cooling while showcasing your build. With a premium mesh front panel and a spacious interior, it supports a wide range of components, including larger GPUs and cooling systems. The HAVN BF350 Flow also comes with RGB lighting support, giving your system a visually striking look, and it offers a toolless design for easy assembly. Its cable management system is top-notch, ensuring that your build stays neat and tidy. If you're looking for a case that combines performance with aesthetics, the HAVN BF350 Flow is a great choice. For more details and pricing, check the links below. The Height X50 Air is a standout in terms of design and airflow. With a modern, minimalistic look, this case is equipped with a mesh front panel and ample ventilation to keep your components cool, even during intense gaming sessions. The spacious interior supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. It also has a toolless design, making it easy to install your components. If you're looking for a case that's both stylish and functional, the Height X50 Air should be on your radar. Check out the description for more info and pricing. The Silverstone FL-P02 is designed for those who need a case that's both compact and functional. Despite its small form factor, it offers excellent airflow with front and top mesh panels and can fit powerful components like high-end graphics cards and cooling systems. The layout is optimized for both easy access and efficient cable management, and it supports modern ATX builds. The FL-P02 offers great value for anyone who wants a small case with solid airflow and storage space. For more details and pricing, check the links below. If you're looking for a case that's as stylish as it is functional, the Phanteks Evolve X2 Matrix is the perfect choice. With its premium build quality, stunning RGB integration, and modular design, this case is designed to make your build look as impressive as it performs. The Matrix offers excellent airflow with mesh panels on the front, top, and sides, ensuring your components stay cool even under heavy loads. It also features innovative cable management and ample space for all your components. Whether you're building a powerhouse gaming rig or a workstation, the Evolve X S2 Matrix has everything you need. More details and pricing are in the description below. The Cougar Omni X case is all about combining style, power, and performance. Featuring a sleek tempered glass side panel, the Omni X offers incredible airflow with mesh panels on the front and top. The interior supports large GPUs and a variety of cooling options, including liquid cooling setups. With a well-organized layout and efficient cable management system, building in the Omni X is a breeze. If you're looking for a case that doesn't compromise on looks or functionality, the Cougar Omni X is an excellent choice for your next build. Check out the links below for more details and pricing. These cases are designed to not only give your PC a stunning look, but also provide excellent airflow, cooling, and easy assembly. Whether you need space for a high-end build or something compact and efficient, these options will meet all your needs. Check the links in the description for more details and the latest pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.